Hello my minions! Today I'm doing Deku, the green bean pure machine. First we're doing blushing. Take your blush and a fluffy brush and start attacking your nose. Then do your cheeks with the same blush. Then take Lemonade Craze's Ice Pop and Coral for more blushing on the nose. The reason I blush so much is because the anime aesthetic and the soft blushing makes him more pure. Then take NYX's Ultimate Upside Down apparently for the bright pink for more nose blushing. Take your Gay CoverGirl palette and use the tiniest of red for the nose. Blend it out with a bigger fluff brush. Then get Take Me Back to Brazil's light pinks and a bit of the darker pink. Time for the eyebrows. Again with the Gay palette, use your darkest forest green. Now for the freckles. So I put them on differently than Canon, but I just like to do 3 dots on my cheeks. This is me just dabbing off some of it because I put way too much. Now you don't have to follow this part because I don't usually do mascara, just doing random things till my freckles dry. Yes, I know this is bad, I'm so sorry. I'll be linking this wig, by the way. Thank you for watching!